Hi guys, I'm so excited to show you this killer office. This is our Birds of Paradise project. You can see this is a very eclectic space, really a fun one for us to put together, so let's take a look. To start things off, we have this beautiful low cabinet. This is really a bookshelf. The great thing is we wanted to keep the space open and low and not bring in tall, heavy pieces. So this is wonderful just for displaying the client's favorite photographs. We've got some tchotchkes and all of her books needed for work, so this is a great way to display everything. When we're doing an eclectic space, it's really a lot of random elements that come together as a whole, and that's what makes the space unique or has its own spin on it. So we have this beautiful television. This is mounted to the wall. It is important. A lot of people like to watch televisions in spaces. This is great, so it does complement the scale of this low bookshelf, and it's not too overwhelming for the space. I'm obsessed with this cute little chair. This is a distressed green leather. The beautiful thing about the chair is it does pull from the wallpaper. And we did want to put a solid piece in here just because this wallpaper is so bold and in a sense overwhelming for the space. So it's important that everything else is kind of neutral and classic. This little pillow is fun, so this just adds a little something to the chair and jazzes it up. We have a lot of this theme, so this Edison bulb, kind of funky industrial. So we are mixing styles in here, and that's also what gives the space an eclectic feel. Kind of to finish things off, we've got little Santa. He always hangs out here. A perfect ottoman, so if we want to rest in this chair and sit down, we can put our feet up. And then the great thing about the stool is it is a tree trunk, but this is spray painted in a silver to give it some character as well. So moving over to this corner, we had an empty corner and we were like, what do we do? What do we put in this corner? This is an heirloom of the client, so this was passed down and it's a family piece. So we brought this luscious plant in. I really like how it complements this piece here, and it just does a great job of filling this corner. This is a really fun one. So this is one of the client's pieces too. As you know, a lot of us are working from home now, so this just really sums up the mood beautifully and is a great piece in the corner to tie it all in. To transition, we have our workspace here. So we have this beautiful desk. It's in a wood finish. This is actually from Cost Plus World Market. I love that we mixed inexpensive pieces with higher quality pieces, so we don't need to really break the bank to have a beautiful design. This chair is a West Elm piece, so we have these brass legs. This really complements and does tie in with that eclectic theme we're going for. We've got a couple little fun tchotchkes. What would a space be without tchotchkes? And then we do have the Edison bulb continued over to the other side as well. Love this rug. This is actually a ruggable rug. The wonderful thing about ruggables is they're washable. So if you have a high traffic area, if you have pets and kids, this is a really great piece that just throws in the wash, easy to take care of. This is wonderful because it does bring some pattern in without overwhelming the space. It is a neutral palette. So you can find this beautiful wallpaper at Anthropologie. It's really the wallpaper that gives the room that wow factor it needs and really takes it over the top. So let's move over to this beautiful shelf. This is actually original to the home. We kept a lot of original pieces. We did take the doors off this guy to give it more of an open appeal, and then we filled it in with some of the client's favorite tchotchkes. So we've got a little personal Charlotte Web action. These storage boxes are great for putting everyday items, and then this is her office space, so we've got all of the office necessities here as well. Moving on to these doors, these are original to the home as well. We've added these little funky elephant knobs. These really give character and are just a little fun addition to have. So we have this beautiful floor. One of my favorite things is this is original to the home. This floor was not touched. We basically just shined it up nicely. I really do love that this home has the original features. It feels cozy and inviting and eclectic. Just to finish things off, we have our flush mounted light fixture. So this is just in a matte black finish. Very simple. We have this over the top wallpaper, so we just wanted that light to be an extra layer of ambiance. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our Birds of Paradise office space. It was so much fun to put this one together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tours and projects. We'll see you soon.